Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft Spigot plugin showcase video here. Today I'll be showing an amazing plugin called Modern Homes. So it's basically a premium plugin which is being sold on Build by Bit. So this is the page actually. So you can see the price is $7.99. It's actually a pretty amazing plugin to purchase because it's so cool and it has an amazing GUI and stuff. So yeah, let's get into the video. Before we get started, make sure to check out GanderWeb. They provide services like data center colocation, SSL certificates, cPanel web hosting, dedicated bare metal servers, email services, game hostings, and even virtual private servers. Use my code ARROWTHON at checkout for a recurring discount of 10% off. Alright, so the commands are just home help. So you can find the commands here. So there's home help and then there's home. And then if you want to teleport to a home directly, you can just type home and the home ID. And then you can rename the home to a name or something. So this is my default home menu, which is GUI. So I actually have a home set here. I can just delete it right now. So as you can see, I have 0 homes and then I have multiple pages. It actually depends on how many homes you give a certain user. It's actually permission based. I'll be showing you that in the configuration, but basically it's like you can create groups for per permissions, and then like you can let a player have 15 homes and another person have 30 homes. It's really up to you. I'll be showing you that in the configuration part later on. So basically you have to just type /home and you have to just create a home. So you have to just click it here and your home is created. So now you could just do home and 1 and will be teleported. So basically by default it takes 5 seconds to teleport, but I'm currently oped. So as you can see, I've been teleported as soon as I type the command. So you can also teleport by just typing home and then you can click the item and you'll be teleported to the home. And you can rename the home by just typing home rename, and then you can type the home ID first and then you can just type something like test. So now the home name is test. So as you can see, it's going to say home test instead of home 1. And yeah, that's pretty much that for the player commands. So now you can just type a home help and you'll find the admin home commands. So you can actually convert the homes first. So you can just type home convert all, and then you can convert your homes from essentials X. Basically, like if you're using essentials X home system like before this plugin, import all the homes directly. And there's other commands like you can see the player's homes, so you can just type a home C and you can just type the player name and you'll see all my homes here. And to see an offline player's homes, you have to just type a home OC, so it basically just sees the offline player's homes. And same with TP, you can just type a home TP player name and the ID. So I was teleported to the ID here, so home 1, because that's where my home is. So you can just use admin commands to teleport to like player homes, and you can even rename other player homes. You can just type a home rename player name, select the home first, and then you can write Bob and it will be renamed to Bob. So that's kind of useful, like if you want to just like go home and then if you want to see a home, you can have it named, so like you know what home it is. So for example, I could just do something like home rename 1 and I could just do something like red bed. So now I know that this home takes me near the red bed. So yeah, let's get into the configuration part. So here's the configuration part. So I'm going to start with sounds.yml. So basically you can edit all the sounds here. You can find the sounds on Google. You can pretty much just search Minecraft sound and then you can enter the messages.yml if you want, but everything's already like edited, so you don't really need to touch that. And then this database.yml, actually you need to edit this on the first time. So like if you're using MySQL, you can just type MySQL and then you can fill the details, but if you just want it to be simple, you can just put SQLite, and you can even edit the MongoDB. So if you need help setting up this, you can just like contact the support. There's a special support for the plugin, so don't worry about that. And then there's configuration.yml, so basically you need to enter your license key here, and then you can even enable the confirmation GUI. And then there's this teleport timer I was talking about. So basically like it's gonna wait 5 seconds before teleporting you. So and then here's the load from essentials, so that if you just enable it, it's gonna load all the essentials homes. And here's the permissions you can actually edit by yourself. So you can just edit the home permission here and the cooldown permission and even the home admin permission. And here's the groups I was talking about. So basically like you can just create a group saying, for example, test, and then you can write test.use or just test.mvp or just test.test, and then you can enter the number of homes. So if you want to give a player 30 homes, you can just type 30, and then if you give this permission, so you need to give this particular permission to the player, and then the player will be able to create like up to 30 homes, and then like, they can't create over that. So it's just going to show that the limit has been reached after they create 30 homes. And now let's go to the GUI part. So here's the confirmation part. So actually here is some stuff you can edit if you wish to. So these are some symbols you can edit. So for example, this is the go back update. So basically like when you're trying to confirm home deletion, you can just edit the position here. So basically like when you click this in game, it's gonna like return back, so you won't be asked for confirmation after going back. So basically like, if you want, you can just like change this to here, so then the go back button will be placed here. And same with this. So there's actually like so there are two more symbols here. So there's A and D. So D is used for the cancel. So like you see the cancel button. So if you want to move the cancel button, you can just like maybe put it here and then remove that, and you can just like place it again there. So that's how it works. So you can just move the cancel button as per your likings. And same with the confirm button. So if you want to move this towards the cancel button, so you can basically just remove this and then move it a bit and then press A, and that's how you can change the position of the confirm items. And then here's the home GUI. So here's the like title of the menu, so you can just change this. So if you want, you can like maybe like type modern. So maybe you can just change this to like modern homes, and then like it'll show up as modern homes. And you can even disable multiple pages, so like there won't be more than a page. So there won't be more than a page of homes to set or delete or whatever. And here's the items you can configure. So each item has its own text and lore. You can edit this to your liking, and the best part is you can even edit the materials. So everything has its own material set. You can delete it as your liking. So here it says your home limit reached. So if you want this to be a barrier, you can just type barrier, and then a barrier will be showed up. And for this you can just type like cyan dye, and then a cyan dye will be shown. So it's pretty much that. It works like that. So yeah, that's pretty much that. If you like the video, make sure to the like button and subscribe for more similar content. See ya.